Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Gina. Well, today I'm going to be working on a bird collage. This is a challenge at Nellie and Ruth Designs here on YouTube, and the hashtag is hashtag in our bird collage. So I have my page ready here. We're working in my little book that I've got for bird collaging. And this is a fabulous book. It's got, they're not super thick, but they're thick enough to hold up to this, and tons of pages, which I'm sure I'll have to take some out as I go. But I got this at Five Below, so if you're looking for something big enough for a collage or something that you want, you might check there. I just got it recently, within the last month, so I may be lying about that though, because I forgot I was gone for a month. I can't remember if I got it before or after I went. No, I got it after I came home. So yeah, it's been within the month. So out of this book, I showed this in a recent video I did, but this book is great. It's got lots of full page pictures that are great. Like I envision putting something underneath that. See, it's just got so many fabulous, look at that, fabulous pictures to use for your collaging. So today I took one out of right here, and that is this page, and I have it cut down to the size that I want it. Then first I got some wallpaper out to put behind it. I'm trying to see. Okay, that's the side I cut. I don't want the side I cut to be on this side. So we're going to glue this down to here. And I'm going to put the glue on my page and put this on because this is so big that, I mean, I guess I could get my quilting ruler out and cut it, but then I have to clean off my whole desk because I don't have room for my quilting ruler on here. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to put my, clean my glue tip off. And my glue is still looking weird. I don't know what is up with that. Oh, no, it doesn't want to. Okay, there it goes. Oh, I got glue on the other pages. My hands are not steady today, in case you can't tell. Having some problems. I had a shot in my shoulder last week. High hopes of that working, and it has not. Still got a lot of pain and a lot of trouble using my right arm. Why it can't be my left arm? Probably because that's not the one I use all the time. It's giving me fits. Okay, so I'm putting it on the bottom and the side because the top is where I cut it out. And it's not straight. I never get them straight when I cut them out of those big books. I got some glue too far over, so I'm getting that off. A lawnmower started. Yes, that's how it goes around here. That's the way it goes. My husband is outside building us a raised garden bed. My stepdad was out there helping a few minutes ago, but I think he just went home. Okay. Now, figure out this side. How to do this side. I always have trouble right at that edge. I guess I need my smaller scissors. Or come from the other side maybe. I don't know. I'm struggling with this. I don't think I'm in view. I'm sorry. I'm just cutting the top off. It's just where it fits on my desk. It's very awkward. That was my cat. That was Miss Scarlet. Making that distressing sound for who knows what reason. She's in a playful mood this morning. She's running all over the house like she's chasing something. It's funny. I love watching her. You'd think she got into catnip the way she's acting, but I don't have any animals, so. Alright, so then this is going to go on here. But of course, we got a little bit of cutting to do, not a lot. I'll bring my little tray of birds. And this bird, no, not that one. This one. And my birds today all came out of, let me grab it. This one. Birds, their life, their ways, their world. And this might be the one that Barbie showed at Nellie and Ruth. I'm not sure. I need to go watch that video and see. But this is by Reader's Digest, and it's a fabulous book. And I am blessed enough to have 2 of these, so I just cut and cut on this one. I'm not worried about it. I have another one. So I want this bird to be sitting here like it's looking at the computer. So I need to cut right here, I think. Okay, I'm hoping that will work. Yes, so this one, maybe I need to cut a little over here so it's got a little bit. There, that's better. That's better. It's sitting here and it's looking at the computer. So we'll turn around and tape that down. Oops. Well, maybe I should just glue it. Let me set this here. I'll set it on the back. I need to get it secured where I want it. There we go. That's where I want that bird. Okay, I think that's the only one I need to cut, but I'm not sure, so we're going to keep going. Okay, so then I got out this paper collection, and this is by Jen Hatfield. And it is Reaching Out. Let me get one of these out. You can see it, because I think I cut it off of the one that no, here. There it is. And I got this paper that looks like potted plants. It kind of reminded me of a wallpaper, you know? So, first thing we're going to do, though, is the other side of it was this little border. That her paper always has adorable borders. So I cut out this, and I had to cut the top and cut way into it to get it to not be on the lamp, and it still is a little bit. I guess I probably need to cut that. I need to replace my blade though. That blade is not very sharp. Let me get a new blade because I'm having trouble with that blade. I just put it back in backwards when I've used it. It's got a sharpening stone and it works pretty good, but I don't want to take the time right now to try to do that. Okay. Sorry, I don't want to cut into that without... I didn't realize I needed to change it. But I was having some trouble with that chair, but it wasn't so tiny like this. Okay, I think I'll... That's weird. Popped on me. It's popping on me. I don't know why it's doing that. It's like moving on me. I got it in there tight. Okay, so then let's see if this can... I didn't get it cut. I thought I did. Okay, so yes, okay. So can I? Yeah. Yeah, that looks good like that. I think. I don't know. Which way do I like it better? Okay, we're gonna go under. I am really enjoying these collages. And it's really, I'm trying to do things I haven't done in my other collaging. There we go. Okay. So then I have this bird. This bird is going to be hanging from the ceiling. Probably should be hanging right there, I think. And I'm going to get them all placed so I remember. This little bird is going to be right here on the book. This one is going to be sitting up here trying to get the lamp. This one, little road runner, it's going to be down here running. I gotta get a drink real quick. Alright, then I have a bird on a nest, and I think I put that there over those books. And this little bird is going to be sitting down here on the floor. This one is going to be on the computer screen because this bird is looking at the birds on the computer screen. This one, oh I need to cut in there. That one's going to be there. And then this one, what did I think I was going to do with this one? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it can sit here on the monitor. There we go. And I think that's all of them. Yes. Okay, so we'll get these glued down. I'll have a link below to Barbie's channel and her last bird collage that you can look at. This is a lot of fun. You can join anytime. Didn't quite get that as far over as I wanted to, but I'm going to leave it because I don't want to smear that glue all over this paper. Sorry, my husband is outside. When he's outside, I do look to see what my messages are, because he's in a wheelchair out there, and if he tips over or gets stuck or something, he's to call me, and he knows I'm recording, so he would text me. Next week, I'm going to try to use the bigger birds. But I had saw this book. I had used this book for another one, and I saw this, and I got an idea, and I thought, okay, I'm going to do that. I probably should have tucked that in there, too, but I didn't. Okay, let's get this little bird down. I need my tweezers for these little guys. I love this little road runner. Beep, beep. Can't help it. If you're my age, beep, beep just comes with Roadrunner, I think. They're really interested in what's going on here with that bird on the computer. I need to get this one beaks down. In the book, he was about to eat a fish, but you know, here he's like really interested in the computer. Now I need to cut right across here. Did I get through? That's the question. No, I didn't cut through it. There. Let me see. Can't get it. Yeah, there we go. That's how I want that one. Okay. Oh, I forgot the wallpaper. I have a strip of wallpaper here to put right here. So, actually, this is paper, not wallpaper, but it's going to look like the wallpaper. Oops. There we go. I must not have glue on the very end of it. keeps adjusting on me. Okay, and it looks like I need to glue around, or ink around the edge of this. Get this cut off here. And I'll get the white edges taken care of. You really won't be able to see this, but I don't like those white edges. And we're almost done with this. So be sure to go check out Nellie and Ruth's channel. And I know Susan Gazaway, I'm not sure how you say her name, is also doing this challenge. And I think that Barbie said there's several people on Instagram doing the challenge. I need to go look at that and figure that out. So that's going to go right there. Go look at everybody, see what they're doing. It's fun. Barbie and Susan do a lot of surreal, like really surreal. They are very talented. And my vagabond style might be also doing it. I'm not sure about that one. She's another very talented collage artist. Glue on my finger. Okay. All right, that is this week's bird collage. I'll hold it up for you. I just thought the little wallpaper added a little bit of color. I don't know, something to the room. It was all wood. So nothing wrong with that, but you know, I just wanted a little bit more color on here. I did cover up that one's tail though. Oh well, it's okay. Thank you for joining me. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.